new front begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Blush na ako. And I just want to share this to you guys dahil pinadala sa akin to ng We Got Everything PH, and this is the Soyu Naturals Organic Matte Finish Clay Blush in the shade Midnight Wine. So meron tong 2 shades sa We Got Everything PH. Yung isa is yung Autumn Dust, and ito ang nakuha ko is Midnight Wine. So pinadala nila sa akin to, and I will give my quick review of this and my honest opinion din sa product na to. Clay blush na to is made of 100% natural ingredients, organic siya, plus FDA approved siya, guys. So dahil nga organic siya, it is suitable then for all skin types. It is non-toxic and gentle lang sa skin natin. Ito yung packaging niya. Meron siyang mini box dito, and pagka-slide mo, makikita mo na yung clay blush dito. And ito lang yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Simple, silver lang siya, and ito, may design lang siya na clay blush. Ang maganda dito sa packaging nila, included to with expiration date. This clay blush, ang shelf life niya is 2 years, and it has 50 grams. So, ito yung itsura niya sa loob, guys. Ayan. Ang dami, guys, as in ang dami. And what I love about this product is super pigmented niya, guys. And like, konti lang ilagay mo sa face mo, talagang kumukulay na siya. Sinasabi din nila dito na it contains vitamin A and E to help chapped lips while keeping your skin and lips hydrated, nourished, and protected from sun and wind. So, ang experience ko dito nung nilagay ko siya sa lips,
alam niyo naman, guys, kung nanonood na kayo sa akin, talaga, I am super dry lips po talaga.
And nung nilagay ko siya, may honest opinion about this. Hindi siya nakaka-heal ng chapped lips, guys. Sa akin lang naman yon, pero hindi ko ramdam na nakaka-heal siya ng chapped lips. Yun naman yung napansin ko dito na kiniklaim nila, pero hindi ko naranasan dito. And yun lang naman yung napansin ko dito, and overall, it is very good, guys. Very, very good. Kasi super satisfied ako dito sa clay blush ng We Got Everything PH. And ko muna kayo ng swatch nito para makita nyo kung ano yung color niya. So, ayan. Ayan yung kulay ng clay blush, guys. Ito yung Midnight Wine. And dahil nga, clay blush siya, maaari mo siyang gamitin sa cheeks, lips, and eyes. So, today, I will be using this for my eyes, cheeks, and lips. Talagang ito yung kukompleto sa Sunkissed look natin for today. So guys, if you're interested to get this clay blush from We Got Everything PH, I will put the link down below para makabili din kayo. And by the way, guys, I have my discount code for every purchase of 500 pesos worth of products sa We Got Everything PH. Maaari nyo gamitin yung discount code ko, and ito yung Scherla 100% off. So you can get 100 pesos discount for every 500 pesos na minimum na binibili nyo sa We Got Everything PH. So when I'm applying this product, I prepare using this retractable brush. Kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang, bakit naman gamitin yung hands nyo, but dito ako comfortable dito sa retractable brush.
To get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of
Is what you make it. Always try to give.